How to make this cool looking microphone very easily in Blender. First of all, add a cylinder, add some loop cut and bevel the edge to give it the basic shape of the microphone. Now let's create the important part, the buttons. For the buttons, we'll create some square shaped loop cut on the front side. In front view, select those 16 faces and press Shift plus S to place the cursor in the center. If you count the corner vertices of this square area, these are 16 points. So now add a circle with 60 vertices, scale it to match the size of the button. Add a shrink ray modifier, set the wrap method to project, choose the y-axis and pick the cylinder as the target object. After that, delete those 16 faces from the cylinder. Join both objects, the cylinder and the circle using Ctrl plus J. Now in edit mode, shift select both as loops and press Ctrl plus E, bridge as loops. Now they are connected. Extrude inward, scale slightly, repeat one more time and then press Ctrl plus F, grid fill. Now press Shift plus D and P to separate it as a new object. With some extruding and scaling, your button is ready. For the small hole in the button face, you can use loop tools. If you don't know how to use it, I already have tutorial on my channel explaining it. For the bottom part of the microphone, we'll again use loop tools to create the USB port and small holes. We'll need 3 big buttons, so simply duplicate the top part of the button and place it below. Then connect the edges using bridge as loops. Now it's time to create the microphone grill, and it's actually very easy. Add a cube and apply the subdivision surface modifier with 3 level. Add a loop cut in the middle from both sides. Delete the bottom face and adjust the vertices to make it circular. Apply the subdivision surface modifier. Make sure you install the added curve extra object add-on, it's free. Select the grill part, right click, curve, knot, Celtic link. If your grill doesn't look like mine, that's because I adjusted some value in the Celtic link pop-up setting. You can copy my value. Also, the bevel depth may look like 0, but it's actually 0.001. After that, we'll make some small adjustment in the curve data properties. You can copy those settings as well. Now we'll create one more small button using loop tools and add a tiny indicator light above it. Now it's time to create the microphone stand. Add a plane, then one for the front view, cut it half and add a mirror modifier. Extrude the shape it like a stand. Since it's not completely straight, I am using proportional editing. For thickness, use the solidify modifier and also a subdivision surface modifier. Apply the mirror and solidify modifier, then bevel the edges. On the sides, create simple knob, just basic cylinder, then mirror them on the other side. Now in front view, take a screenshot and open it in Canva to create the product text. Since this is a modeling tutorial, I am just adding basic color to the product. If you want to learn realistic texturing, comment below and I'll create a separate tutorial on that. After that, add some basic lighting, position the camera and render the final image. Let me know in the comment, do you like it or not? And if you want a full uncut tutorial on this or similar product, write it in the comment.